days are fair and clear with elegance. I'll make a verse, a little song here without pretense. When for the new time's joy I'll weigh, the birds grow glad and what's so gay. I too am glad, for memory comes to me morning and evening. See, in loving well the fairest maid, who keeps my heart in sweetness laid, such that I feel no grievous thoughts or deal. For I love in a place so worthful. In a sweet Lord I'm bound to stay, that I may prove, for I see her, I hold more dear, I say, than aught above. So fearing I call myself her own, praising her gait, form swift and lone, toward whom I bend and supplicate. And ever since the day that fade, let me see her fresh and fair color. I never desired another's love, sure, nor do I wait to have joy consummate, but from her to whom I yield me straight. Without a sad heart she makes me stay, both night and day. She who promised that if love's pay, she must give one day. She'd give it me, so fair I deem, that I might dwell beneath her beam forevermore, serving her so loyal, humble, with heart's fine glow, and speak of her true praise and more. She'll keep me firmly as servitor through all my living, for I have no craving save to serve her form so gracious. By no turn can I drift away from her who holds me, nor can I forget her courtesy. So sweet she molds me, for when beneath her mantle's fold she smiling gave a ring of gold. I so won me to her that day, that since my heart's not gone astray. But she is of such worth so great, I love not fear my fate, yet heartily love her, so that I see she ought to love me equally. Her adorned fair form without peer, gay guided by joy's art, I cannot nor know how to praise here as would befit her part. Just as the rose more beautiful appears than leaf upon the bough, so more beautiful appears she who speaks and laughs, more sweet than any bee. Her laugh I hold a delight to see, and conquers flower that springs from the hawthorn tree. In beauty fair she, with her laughing face is air. My song I present to the Lord excellent of those who in all good is intent.